Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can enable your Discord game overlay, or how you can disable it if you don't want it, and some settings for that. So I'm just going to open Discord, and then I'm just going to go into server so you guys can kind of see the overlay later. Go to user settings and then go to game overlay. And then here you're going to enable overlay. You can also kind of adjust it here. For instance, you want the avatar size to be small or large. You want to enable the display names only when speaking. I like doing that. You can also display like max users. You can also display users and whatnot. And then here, if I go back to Roblox, you'll be able to see that game overlay here. I guess it'll show like when people are talking, if it's like other people. But yeah, that's pretty much it really. I think you can move it around, I'm not sure. I guess not, but here you can also hide window in game. I don't know what that is, but that is pretty much it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. Try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.